What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the OnePlus 11, and to be honest, it's a really kind of great and amazing thing because I wanted to unbox this kind of device for a while, and today we're having it in the house, so we're gonna just check it out and see what's happening. Yeah, so here we have it, guys. As you can see, this is the OnePlus 11, the brand new, the latest and greatest ingredient, I can say. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of phone and see the specification too. Here we have it. This is our bad boy here. As you can see, this is our OnePlus 11. We're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy and see the features which it has. So as you can see, guys, there we go. Just like that, we are unboxing it nice and smooth throughout our phone to see what's happening. As you can see, guys, that's our OnePlus. Woo, that moment you're waiting for. Yeah, there we go. Never settle. That's really cool. And yeah, we'll keep this one first of all aside, and here is our bad boy, really looking dope. I'm gonna keep this bad boy first of all aside, and another kind of stuff throughout here on the box, we're gonna see what's packed inside. We are having this power brick, which is 100 watts of power brick, which it's super VOOC, and it's really awesome throughout this kind of power brick, and uses the USB. I find it's like the Xiaomi power brick, and overall it's really looking slick. So yeah, getting throughout here the USB Type-C. So it's a USB A to USB Type-C, just like that, guys. As you can see, it's really looking great, and it's a really awesome cable throughout OnePlus. And yeah, so that these guys give us the cover, and as you can see, this is a safety guide, this is a welcome note, and SIM card ejector tool you're getting throughout here, which is really awesome. And another kind of stuff, you're getting the stickers from OnePlus, which is really incredible. Moment we have all been waiting for. This is our bad boy in here, so we're gonna just peel here, so as we can see what's happening. Woo-wee! This is really looking great. As some of you guys can see that it's really looking awesome, and it's really top notch, I can say, throughout this phone. As you can see, it has an Hasselblad at the back in here. When you just twist it around, you can just see that Hasselblad there, which it's really looking awesome. I like the way they kept this kind of color. This kind of color, it's really dope, but it feels like it's slipping. I wish it could be having a material which it's a little bit hard. When you hold it, doesn't slip. You can see it's just slipping. It's like, man, but overall it's a really great thing. You can see how much it is, and right now we're gonna just turn it on. And I think OnePlus brought this kind of functionality button back, like the vibration, or like iPhone, the way you can snooze your notification, or you can mute and stuff like that, which is really dope. So we're gonna just turn it on right now and see what's packed through all this kind of phone. Here we inside the Oxygen OS, and it's really looking great. As you can see throughout the phone in here, there is bunch of apps in here. There is not like bloatware or anything like that, but it's really looking great throughout the phone. And throughout the settings side, I kind of vibe with it. It's really looking great, and there's like an haptic feedback. It's called the Zero Haptics, which is really awesome, and you can just change the sensitivity of how you want it to feel. If you want it to feel just gentle, it's really great, but if you want it to feel crisp, it's really more dope. I kind of vibe with that. And we can go to about device. You can see it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile, which is really super fast, and a battery capacity of 5000 mAh of battery, and a 16GB of RAM, and 256GB storage, and it has an Oxygen OS on top of it, which is really awesome. Front side of the camera, it has 16 megapixel of camera, and rear has a 50 megapixel of camera, which we're gonna test on the camera side and see the pictures which it has taken, which is gonna be really cool. On top of here, it comes with an Android version 13, which is really looking great throughout Android version 13. You can see always on display. You can change some stuff throughout always in display if you want to, and you can even use your canvas if you allow it. You can just take a picture, and when you take a picture, you can use your photo, and it will be like that kind of always on display. So I've just taken my picture like that, and I can allow it in here, and I can say generate, and it's going to be generating throughout, getting that always on display. Kind of sketchy. as you can see, that's how our sketch is going to be looking like. You can change the colors you want to depending on your preferences, and it's really looking good. You can change the style, you can make it look more neon, and you can even make it look like a stroke and dash, and it's really looking great. So when you're done, you can just say next, and you can even zoom it in. That's it about the always on display. It has a bunch of features throughout here. You can even use some text, or you can use some insight just like that. It can show you some insight, what's happening and stuff like that. And you can change throughout here. You can even use this kind of OnePlus vibe throughout there. You can change the colors depending on you how much you want it. Another kind of stuff which I didn't talk about it is the refresh rate, because a lot of us, we love the refresh rate. And you can see something which is so cool. We're having screen resolution. You can go up to quad HD, which tells you this may lead to high power consumption. And quad HD, it might be cool, man. You might be seeing things in really vividly way. Another kind of stuff, you can just push the refresh rate up to 120 hertz of refresh rate, which is really looking great throughout this phone. So just like that, guys, we are having the quad resolution. This is not an FHD display right now, it's just like quad resolution, which means it has bigger resolution right now, which it's really looking great. You can see how much the apps are appealing, really awesome, and it's really looking dope thing. So yeah. So guys, this is a night recording right now. I'm recording outside, and I'm testing the capability of the OnePlus 11 camera front facing, and see how much it's able to just shoot in a great way. Because outside, as some of you guys know, at night especially, it's really hard to get a perfect shot unless you're having a good lighting condition. But if you're normal lighting like me in here, it's really hard for you to get a good shot. But is it capable of the OnePlus 11 to get this shot? Well, it surprises me. It's really quite not bad. It's a really good thing, and to be honest, it's really dope. So yeah. Now we're gonna test the sound throughout the OnePlus 11. The speaker is quite not bad, because it has these kind of speakers in here. It doesn't have top speakers. So guys, another kind of great and amazing feature from OnePlus, it's the way you can use the recording app. You can see you can select different variety of categories throughout recording app. Now we're gonna test them and see what's happening. So I'm gonna start with the normal standard, and we can see what's going on. So guys, this is my voice right now speaking with you guys directly throughout the microphone of the OnePlus 11. And it's a really great and amazing kind of phone, to be honest, and it's a brand new phone from OnePlus. So yeah, and now we're gonna try the meeting. I'm using the microphone from OnePlus 11, and we are in the meeting mode. So OnePlus has variety of modes throughout selecting on your phone, and it's really incredible. So this is called the meeting mode. So right now we are testing the interview mode throughout the recording app. Right now we're testing the interview mode. Let me say you're using your phone throughout interviewing someone, and you're using the phone as a microphone. How capable is it? Because you know how interview is, because it's a headshot, and the way you record it is just half, or sometimes the interview you just don't need it to be far away. It's just a close-up. And this one today we are testing throughout the OnePlus 11 capability of recording throughout different modes, and this mode, it's a really interview mode. That's what's up about the OnePlus 11. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite kind of features. To be honest, the camera blew my mind when it comes to the night mode. It's just awesome. It's like going throughout pixel side, and it's really great thing. To be honest, it's like they did it. It's like they did it. To be honest, this is a really nice and amazing phone for 2023, and OnePlus just, I can say, rebooted the OnePlus, because we all know that the OnePlus, the past ones, they are really crazy, and yeah, this one, it's quite impressive, to be honest. So yeah,